Office 365 helps you get things done on the go with your Windows 10 device. Start work on your PC, make edits on your tablet, and finish later on your phone. The Office mobile apps come pre-installed on your Windows 10 phone, so there's nothing to download. Just go to the All Apps list and scroll to find the mobile versions of Excel, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word. Office 365 stores your files in the cloud. This means that once you've added your Microsoft account to your device and signed in, you can open all your files, no matter where you are. To add your Microsoft account, go to Settings, tap Accounts, and then tap your email and accounts. Now you can work across all your devices. In Word, tap to make a few edits. Or do more by tapping the Show Ribbon button. Then tap Home to bring up the familiar Office tabs. In Excel, drag to move columns. And in PowerPoint, your presentation notes are just a tap away. The Office mobile apps automatically save your work as you go, so you never have to. And when you're all done making changes, you can invite others to see your work by tapping the Share button. With Office 365 on your Windows 10 device, you can view, edit, and share your work how you want, where you want.